Hello, my name is Gaylen Guyer with Lely North America. I am an Aftermarket Field Specialist. Today I want to talk to you about some different products that are being used in robots for cleaning the lens. First of all, I want to stress the importance of your PPE, your personal protective equipment. Always make sure you have your nitrile gloves and safety goggles on when you're working with chemicals. So one of the things that we sometimes see people using is windshield washer fluid in these robots. This is just a ethanol product with water. Its best characteristic is it doesn't freeze, but it does not have much for cleaning ability to help into the robots. Windex, another product that we sometimes see being used, contains ammonia. And ammonia on a laser is not very good. What it does, it tends to eat away at the seal around our lasers, and it can void the warranty and causes other issues there with water behind the glass. This here product, glass cleaner, is also has ammonia in it and has some of the same issues when you use it like Windex. Finally, just would like to stress our Astri-TDS. This lens cleaner is a very good product. It's got 3 ingredients that help very well with cleaning. First of all, it has sulfamic acid in it. The importance of sulfamic acid is that it eats away the minerals. So when you have hard water and water spots getting onto your lens, that cleans that off, helps the laser go better without being refracted with the light when that's spinning. It really helps find the teats much nicer. It also has some urea in it as a cleaning agent, and ethanol as an alcohol product in there. The 3 of those together make this wonderful product called Astri-TDS. Works very well for cleaning your lasers. Astri-TDS stands for Teat Disinfection System. And what we're going to do today is clean the laser with Astri-TDS. First of all, you put your product into a spray bottle. Put a couple sprays on the lens. Take a nice clean paper towel or a cotton cloth. Wipe it off a couple of times. Make sure you got it nice and clean. What this allows to happen is for the laser to work proper and find the teats on the cows to have a faster, quicker melting. If you have any questions, please consult your local Lely Center for more details on Astri-TDS. Thank you.